What's up guys, good morning. So today we're gonna go ahead and work on the 350Z again. Just do more paint prep stuff pretty much. So start with like the front fenders, the side skirts, the doors. I'll see how far we get today, but that's pretty much the plan for now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright guys, so far I've gotten this side skirt done, that fender, and that door. So this side is pretty much good for now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the other side. So that side skirt's done, this fender's done. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this door and start working on the back bumper. So I was able to have Blaine's sister help me because she's sleeping over because it's spring break. So we just went ham and finished sanding the whole car, and we even went ahead and painted the door jambs. Alright guys, everything's taped off, so Blaine's gonna go ahead and mix with all the paint again, and then we're gonna go ahead and spray it. Let me show you. This is the last time your car is gonna be red. Are you excited? You have to do that. Let's get it!
Guys, you ready? So we're gonna go ahead and spray. I got the paint in the gun. Here we go.
Alright guys, so all the pieces are done being painted right now. Let me just show you guys what they look like. Super glossy. This one looks really good. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I was just going to go ahead and let all the pieces cure, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.